In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of getting a Serbian tourist visa for Indians. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Just Go with Amreen. Firstly, I would like to apologize that I have been MIA for over a month. I am so sorry. I've just been caught up with preparing for my group trip, which is happening this month, this week. So I have really been busy with that, but now I am back, I promise, and you will receive a video every single week. Let's get started with this very quick and short video that I want to actually discuss and showcase what are the steps you need to follow to get a Serbian tourist visa for Indians to visit this lovely country. So let's back up a little bit. If you guys don't know and if you're new to my channel, I have visited Serbia twice as a solo traveler. Once was in 2021, once was in 2022. And if you want to check those videos out, then feel free to click the link above, and I'll also leave them down in the description box for you to check them out. This happened when we had the good old days where Indians did not require visa to visit Serbia. The rule has changed. If you're wondering if you require a tourist visa, if you have to apply for a tourist visa to visit Serbia, then the answer, my friend, sadly, yes. Yes, you do. So before I dive into showing you the step-by-step of how to get a Serbian tourist visa for Indians, let me just answer one question that I've been receiving a lot on Instagram as well as on my YouTube Serbian video comments, that why God, why have they stopped giving out visa-free entry to Indians? Well, the thing is, it's not just India that they have stopped. There are some African countries and some other countries as well that they have stopped giving these visa on arrival facility. They have become a little more strict in their visa or entry processes, or whatever you may call it. I don't have in-depth knowledge of why this has happened, but I can just tell you the one thing that I understand is that a lot of people, not just Indians, but a lot of people from different countries were visiting Serbia because of the visa-free entry. They were easily getting into the country, but then they were how would you say this, smuggling themselves into neighboring EU countries and becoming illegal immigrants and then claiming refugee status, which was becoming a very big hassle, headache for the government of different European countries. In short, simply put, this was a major problem because of which Serbia was forced to revoke the visa-free entry facility for Indians and some other countries as well. You can still visit Serbia without requiring a tourist visa, without applying for a tourist visa, in three ways. One, if you have a US visa. Two, if you have a multiple entry Schengen visa. And number three, if you have UK tourist visa. Okay, now let's dive right into the step-by-step of how to apply for tourist visa. Now this is purely pertaining to Indians because there are certain things, certain documents that are not required for Indian nationals, but they may be required for other nationalities. So just so you know, if you're an Indian, this applies to you. But if you're not an Indian and you want to just check if your nationality is eligible for visa on arrival or not, you can go on their website. I will leave the link to the website in this video down here as well as in the description box below for you to check it out. As an Indian, the first thing that you need to do is email the embassy, which is located in Abu Dhabi. You need to email them what are the requirements to apply for visit visa if you're traveling to Serbia as a tourist for X number of days. You can ask for exact documentation. You can tell them that you're an Indian national and you are a UAE resident. So I sent them an email and they're very swift in responding to you. They sent me a whole list, which I will share with you right now. So if you're applying for a tourist visa, which is a short stay, that is Serbian visa C. This is what they responded to me. They literally responded to me in like 20 minutes after I sent them that email. And this is the entire list. You need the booking confirmation of your hotel, airline return ticket, application form,
photograph, passport, the regular drill as well as the bank statements, etc.
I need to take these documents in person, not through a travel agent or anybody else can apply on your behalf. In person, you need to take these documents with your passport to the Serbian embassy all the way in Abu Dhabi and apply in person. And very, very, very important part, you need to apply 20 to 30 days prior to your departure date. Keep that timeline in mind and then plan your travels accordingly and your visa application accordingly. You also need to take an appointment in advance.
So when you're on their website, there is a link to click on to schedule your appointment. But when you click on it, you see that their website is not updated yet. And they don't have an option for applying for a tourist visa or getting an appointment. But if you have emailed them, they send you a separate link which leads you to this page when you click on it, and you can plug in your country you're applying from, which is UAE in this case. Then you can select the option you want to go for, which is in this case applying for a tourist visa. And when you do that, you see the earliest appointment you are getting as of today on 4th of February is 9th of March, which is more than a month away from now. If you try to go for other options like earlier, you're not getting any appointments. So just keep this in mind that you have to probably apply for an appointment a month before, and then the visa process takes a month. So you got to plan your trip to Serbia now 2 months minimum in advance.
So there you go, my friends. This was a very quick video as I promised. Now let me just reiterate this for the millionth time on my channel. If you are new, then okay, this is the first time you're hearing it. But if you have been following me and you have seen my Serbian videos, then I actually have videos that tell you loud and clear that do not visit Serbia for less than a week. Serbia is a gorgeous country, a big country, so much history, so much culture, so much beauty, and it's just gorgeous. So it does not make sense to apply for a visa which takes 30 days to come, to visit a country for like 3 to 5 days, which requires a minimum of 1 week to explore and see properly. The math does not add up. And I'm going to leave you at that. I will see you guys next week. If you guys liked this vlog and you liked the information I shared with you and you found this helpful, then please like, subscribe, and all that kind of stuff to this video and to my channel, and stay tuned for the next week's video. I have so lost touch. I have so lost touch with this filming and vlogging thing. Oh my god, I need to get in the grind again. This is going to be fun. I will see you guys next week. Bye. Cheers.